we are really happy and delighted to be in Indonesia. Indonesia, who is a very strong supporter of the Palestinian cause and really an ally to the Palestinian people. And what is beautiful about your support is that support is really cross-cutting because it's coming from all the components of Indonesia, coming from the branches of government, coming from the people. So there is a united engagement for the cause of I think the meeting we have just held with the minister is the testimony of the strong dedication of Indonesia. We were able to have a very fruitful discussion with the minister, and we are always impressed by the way Indonesia is investing itself in promoting the cause of Palestine. We were telling the minister that she is someone even seen as a Palestinian. When she speaks about Palestine, she is really behaving as a Palestinian, defending the rights of the Palestinians. And these stances are also held very honorably by your representative at the UN, Ambassador Tata. So we would like really to highlight that the engagement and the commonality of engagement to the cause of Palestine. So we are here to mainly thank Indonesia for the dedication and say that we still count on Indonesia to maintain that commitment and dedication. We know that there will be a change of administration very soon, and Indonesia has always shown its support to the Palestinian cause. That support started decades ago. In 1975, when the committee was formed, Indonesia was admitted as a member of the committee, and since then, Indonesia has been playing a very pivotal role, a very crucial role in organizing that. And you are also among the first countries in the world to recognize Palestine.